So here she is. Okay, so I know it was looking pretty crazy, but yeah. So I tied her down with, you know, I use this to tie her down with. I am like just lost right now. Sorry. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's melted. So one thing, so I had the heater on while I was applying the hair and I got hot. So my head was sweating. And so the glue was not melting at all. It wasn't even adhering. So I tied it down, went and drank me a tall glass of water that brought my body temperature down. And then I just kind of sat in my garage because it's what, 40 something degrees here. And so that was enough to cool me off for a little bit. But then it started to melt pretty good. So yeah, it's on there. It is on there. Now this little part right there I can probably tack down, but I'm not going to worry about it. So what I'm going to do is all week I'm going to just come in, do a little, just record how the hair is holding up, and then I'm going to mash all of those into one video. So I'm just going to kind of show you how this lace glue is holding. And this is the Chicbond. So that is the glue that I'm using to adhere with. So yeah, here's the video. Enjoy.
Listening for the phone. God knows I don't ever remember feeling so alone. I sit by the window, listening to the wind, dreaming of the days gone by when you and I were friends. 'Cause yesterday seemed like 2,000,000 miles away. Our lives has gone astray. We've run out of things to say, and the way we used to be is just a bittersweet memory. We're both blind and we can't see. I still love you, still love me, baby. In the dark hours of the morning, lately I don't sleep so warm. Like I've been lying here with a stranger in my arms. Boy, we've got to face it. Let's talk it out today. We've got to get that feeling back before it slips away. Because yesterday seemed like 2,000,000 miles away. Our lives has gone astray. We've run out.
Put your arms right in here. We're not gonna hurt you.
Don't come near me.
Nurse.
Take your hands off of me.
Nurse, will you please help me?
Let go me.
Miss Jackson, please.